they had batteries all over the place. One was like 198, 219, 256, and 281. Something like that. Dwayne talking about, oh, it's gonna be $150 for a battery. I said, nah, man, I don't think they come that cheap no more. What size is that? Cause you asked about a 10 millimeter, but that's not a 10.
No, it's about a 7.
Huh?
About a 12.
So I'm going with this AAA battery. I think it's like 230, something like that. She said. What do Wayne say the voltage was on there when you checked?
180.
Huh? 180? Where's it supposed to be?
It's supposed to be up there.
Huh?
It's supposed to be more than that.
Because when I checked the car, it said that the charge was like real low. It actually said 0.3 or 0.03 or something like that. So I kind of figured that it was the battery instead of the alternator.
Yeah, it was on there like the on the side.
This like I said, this Schumacher battery what's called jump box. And this thing saved me so many times, from the car to the truck, the motorcycle, and back again. I should actually have one for each car. Slide out. Want me to get it for you?
Yeah, let's get my back one. Let's get it.
I got it. Can't grip it. Hold on.
Let me see it. I'll get it.
Huh?
I'll get it.
Oh, okay. You know, this is the amp that comes with the car. It's like,
Yeah.
that little shit don't work. Ain't got no bass in here. And then the what is it? The speakers in the dash and the back deck supposed to be what is it? 8-inch subwoofers.
Yeah.
But them shits don't sub. So at some point I'm gonna get a sound system, because
Okay.
it ain't the best. Not necessarily the worst, but it ain't all that great. A lot of moving parts in here. Let me push it in a little bit.
Yeah, I got one more to go.
Pretty clean. What time you guys leaving today? Yesterday I was lazy. The car just died, like I said, died when I was at the gas station. And I was so tired after work, I kind of sat there. When I woke up, I was like, maybe they're magically charged by the time I take a nap. And you know, people drive past and looking at me. I was like, nah, I'm just tired. So I tried to start the car and it didn't start up.
Right.
So luckily I had my jump box, because otherwise, man,
You've been screwed.
I would have had to call somebody. Yeah, and then there was a dude in a truck next to me. He was asleep too. I said, I guess everybody tired in the morning. Well, yeah, that's about it. Let me see.